aboard for 7 fun-filled days on the SS Nancy.
In all their adventures, the Rugrats
I rule the world!
have always gone far.
This is just like my back. Only there's no rubber ducky, and I'm not naked.
But this time,
Whoa! It's a 40-foot wall of water.
we're gonna need a bigger boat. They're going completely overboard.
I'm ready, ship!
Land ho!
Now,
We're stuck on a tropical island that don't got no people on it. But we're here, Angelica. I mean people who matter.
they're about to discover wild adventure,
Let's go. Well, there's the bald leading the bald.
wild life,
Gators!
and something beyond their wildest dreams.
Down, Loogie.
Where'd you come from? This is supposed to be a deserted island.
The wild thornberries,
Look, it's Nigel Strawberry.
I'm coming down.
Are you okay, mister?
Watch what I can do. I'm a ballerina.
Maybe he's got the ivy rash.
Spike finds his voice.
Could you give a dog a little warning?
Oh, I'm so sorry.
You know, it's funny. And for a minute there, I thought I actually heard you talking to me. You talking to me? Are you talking to me?
Yeah, I can talk to animals. It's a long story.
Chucky meets his double.
When did Chucky start talking backwards?
And Angelica
I love this song!
Hey, me too!
meets her match.
Woo! Should I stay or should I go? Woo!
Yeah, put a sock in it, knucklehead.
Rugrats Go Wild. Featuring the voice of Bruce Willis as Spike.
I ate one of Chucky's diapers one time, and let me tell you, that is spicy.
Woof. That's right. I said woof.
Wanted. These pirate piggies have stolen Dora's treasure. Nick Jr. presents Dora's Pirate Adventure.
I need your help.
It's Dora the Explorer's biggest adventure ever. A 50-minute Dora the Explorer special, only available on VHS and DVD. Join Dora, Boots, and the rest of the crew in a brand new high seas musical adventure.
We'll find the pigs and then you'll say, give us back our treasure.
Join Dora in the search to catch these piggies.
Uh-oh, that sounds like pirates.
Dora's Pirate Adventure, a 50-minute special exclusively on VHS and DVD. Available now from Nick Jr. and Paramount.
Yay!
Nick Jr.'s home videos and DVDs celebrate playing
Yay!
Let's play.
and wiggling.
I am a real wiggle master.
Nick Jr. celebrates learning.
Good thinking, buddy boy.
Let's stop and think.
That's a great idea. And learning Spanish.
Gracias. Thanks.
Mucho thanks, Oswald.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And learning reading.
Say it with me. Red, blue, green.
Nick Jr. celebrates dancing. And laughing. Nick Jr. celebrates hugging. And encouraging.
Good counting.
Nicely done. Great team.
Good jumping. Super duper.
You were fantastic.
Nick Jr. celebrates helping.
Thanks for helping.
Thank you for all your help.
Thanks so much for your help.
Now your kids can play, learn, dance, laugh, hug, encourage, and help.
Excellent.
Yeah!
Join the celebration and watch Nick Jr. and Paramount's Blues Clues, Dora the Explorer, and Oswald home videos and DVDs.
Excellent.
Yippee-rooski.
Plus, look for even more new releases coming this year from Nick Jr. and Paramount Home Entertainment.
Yay!
Paramount Home Entertainment and Nick Jr. presents Oswald's debut on home video and DVD. Available now. Join Oswald for the first time ever on home video and DVD.
Oh boy, we're gonna have such a swell time together. I can't wait.
Introducing Outdoors with Oswald on home video. Celebrate being in the great outdoors with Oswald and his friends.
Isn't this swell, Weenie?
And also Best Buddies on home video. Sharing the excitement and good times with everyone.
Wow!
And on DVD, presenting both of these VHSs combined in Welcome to Big City, starring all of your favorite characters. Oswald the Octopus,
Hello, I'm Oswald. It's a pleasure to meet you.
his dog Weenie, his best pal Henry,
Is all this from me?
Daisy,
Ring-a-ding-ding.
Mad Butterfly and Katrina,
Baby,
and the rest of the Big City gang.
Yes.
So roll out the red carpet and bring Oswald into your home with these brand new home videos and DVDs.
Ladies and gentlemen, Oswald.
Outdoors with Oswald and Best Buddies only on VHS, or you can get both videos together on a DVD. Welcome to Big City. Available now.
Everybody, come see.
One of the most beloved stories of our time is an animated film classic cherished by young and old.
That's some pig. He's terrific.
E.B. White's Charlotte's Web. Now, after more than 30 years, the legacy continues for a whole new generation. Paramount Home Entertainment and Universal Home Entertainment Productions present Charlotte's Web 2, Wilbur's Great Adventure, exclusively on DVD and video. Join Wilbur and his new best friends, Cardigan the Lamb, and Charlotte's three daughters, Nellie, Joy, and Urania. And celebrate the return of some old favorites, Fern, Farmer Zuckerman, Templeton the Rat, and Gwen the Goose. Take a look at what all the excitement is about in this exclusive sneak peek.
It's not so hard to be a pig. You just start in by eating big. You snort your meal and squeal and roll in mud and slurp and burp. Eat rotten apples for dessert. Sleep in hay and play in dirt. Sit around and watch cows chew their cud.
Hey, this is great.
Run through corn in early morn, then slide kerplop down the hill in time for swill and a breakfast trough of slop. It's not so hard to be a pig.
And someday when I'm really big, I'll wag my curly tail just like you do. I like cats and I like dogs, but I belong with horse and hogs.
And I belong with friends like me and you. If you want to be a pig, use your nose and start to dig inside a pile of garbage while you snort. Here, I'll show you.
This fun, all-new feature-length adventure brings them all together in a classic tale of friendship, caring, and what it means to be different. Beautifully animated by Nickelodeon Studios and featuring 4 new songs. This tale continues and is more dazzling than ever. All the heart, wisdom, and enchantment of the original Charlotte's Web return in Charlotte's Web 2, Wilbur's Great Adventure, a must-have in every child's video library. A new classic is being spun exclusively on DVD and video. Available now.
Be a friend, we'll be buddies to the end. Most of all, I'll be a friend to you.
Hop on board and explore the island of Sodor with everyone's #1 friend, Thomas the Tank Engine. You'll join in on the excitement and adventure with all of Thomas's friends. There's the cheerful but sometimes accident-prone Percy, the proud and strong Gordon, James with his splendid red coat, the long and fast Henry, the always helpful Bertie, everyone's new friend Emily, and Sir Topham Hatt, the superintendent of the railway, who makes sure everything keeps running right on time. Each release in this award-winning collection contains stories that teach the valuable life lessons of friendship and working together, and the importance of trust and honesty.
Thank you for looking after my passengers. I do like company, especially children's company.
And now, little engineers have an express ticket to trainloads of interactive fun, now available on DVD. Join your railway friends as they take you to island destinations such as the Fun and Game Shed, Sing-Along Station, Read-Along Depot, and the Character Gallery, where you'll meet each engine up close and personal. Each Thomas the Tank Engine release is engineered for fun. The journey starts here, so climb aboard for all of these Thomas and Friends adventures today.
And now we're pleased to bring you our feature presentation.
Are you ready?
Ready! Ready? Wanna play? Yeah! Yeah! When's it gonna start? Right now! Nick Jr. is just for me.
It was a sunny day on the island of Sodor, and all the engines were working hard. Gordon was feeling very excited. That evening, the Fat Controller came to the shed. "I need an engine to go to the fishing village while Thomas is being repaired," he said. "Any volunteers?" "Me," Arthur blurted out. "Please, sir, may I run on that line all the time? Thomas doesn't like fish, but I do." "Then the line is yours," said the Fat Controller. Arthur was delighted. The next morning, he puffed into the fishing village right on time. The smell of fish was everywhere, but he was sure he had the most beautiful line on the island of Sodor.
to see on the island of Sword. Waterfalls and windmills, valleys and green. All this and more on the island of Sword. Carnival carpet for all to see. People happily ride round the island, flying so high in a big red balloon. From mountains high and down to the seaside, everyone wishing that we'll come back soon. High in the red balloon. Looking down on everyone, you can touch the moon. I am the red balloon, floating and spinning and climbing and rising way high. Look, see the red balloon. Float over castles and church spires below them. Cricket being played on the quaint village green. Everyone waves at the big red balloon. Prettiest picture they've ever seen. James is a red balloon, floating high, wishing we could be like him, high in the sky. Waves where the river bends, waiting to see his friend, hoping he will come again. Wishing and hoping and waiting and dreaming of life.